lie, bro. Whoa, damn. Yo, bro, I ain't gonna lie, that shit is fast. What the, bro? For sure. Check that out, man. Hey. Look at that. He got 2 washes, 2 vlogs, back to back, baby. You got the key? What's that? Let me grab that. Yo, bro, my man left it in neutral. He's wildin'. They get it all nice and clean. What's good? It's a whole new day, man. I'm gonna attempt to sell this car. So hopefully it works. I got a car nice, cleaned up. I mean, I guess I didn't have to because it's going to like a dealer or broker, but I don't know. I just wanted to see it one last time, get it for the videos one last time. You guys seeing the M4. You know, I'm pretty excited because this gives me the money to, all right, come on, you have to figure that out, lady. Gives me the money to buy something and build something else. So I am super excited about that. My ownership with this car has been pretty good. It's been great, but I've been getting rid of cars right around this time anyway, like 2 years, sometimes a little sooner. I ain't got nothing on your boy Fresh Cakes. I don't know him personally, I just know him through YouTube. He seems like a real cool guy. That boy be flipping through them, which makes a hell of a lot of sense, especially for doing YouTube stuff. But I really haven't been making any content with it anyway. I really haven't been doing anything else new to it. You know, it's a dope car. I like it how it is, and I think that's my problem. I like this car how it is way too much to, you know, do more stuff to it. Your boy got that autopilot on right now. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I put miles on my shit and I drive it very hard and I don't have any issues. The M340, no freaking issues. The 435, yeah, you know. That nigga is the failure point. If you want a reliable BMW, do the maintenance and keep it stock for the most part. You know, if you want to get a little spicy, add your little stage 2, keep it 93, keep it chill, you know, and just have a little bit of fun, do your thing, man. You know, you got your Dre's out in the world, both Dre's, the M340 Dre and the M240 Dre. You got freaking, you know, Shop CTO. You got a lot of guys out there that want to be like them. But you got to think about it, bro. They ain't crying about warranties, man. You make big power, you got to spend big money. That's how it works, man. That's how it works. I had to get it washed just to make sure, because every time I get it washed, I don't want to sell it. So now I had to wash it to make sure I really want to sell it. Oh yeah, do you think? Yeah. Oh, so that tells if it's been repainted or something? Sure. Gotcha. So we finally made it. The guy's checking out the M4 over there, making sure I didn't crash it and redo some shit. But check this out. Big Turbo S-Class. He's mad nice. One of my coworkers just picked this up. This is a 580. I don't know which one this is. He debadged it. My coworker picked up an S580. It's been on the channel. I think it's like a 101 ruby red or ruby pink. Ruby, don't know what the name of it is. It's looking good, man. The M3, them hips, bruh. Just can't get enough of it. Oh, and my man painted the bottoms. I think that's new. I don't think it was like that before. This thing's nice. It looks dope with the bottoms painted. I gotta see. That looks fire, man. I should have did that to my car. It's not that special enough to, it's definitely not an individual color to really, you know, to really pop like that, but damn, that thing looks nice. What do you guys think? Oh, pop the trunk, bro. I want to show you the shits, man. Damn, I could have ran off with the downpipes. You ain't even look at this shit. Huh? You said what?
I forgot for a second the car had downpipes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
You got downpipes. You got spring. I should never said shit. Yeah, bro.
All set, bro.
All right, cool. Oh, yo, you got a bag?
Bag? I should have some.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the corner store. They got a corner store? Cause I grabbed too much. Just like that. Just like that. It looked better with no license plate. Well, guys, it's been a good one. And now it's time for something new. Stay tuned. This is what's left of my M4. With the Ubers here. Damn. Well, here goes the Porsche. I'm just joking. This is the Cayman that my guy Phil's working on. This thing probably gonna be some type GT4 conversion. These are lips for it or something like that? I don't know. ISF over there in the cut.
So this fender was full of rock chips, but you see how it's just the front end?
Yeah.
Then here you got minor ones, but then it kicks off to the back. Same thing with the hood. The whole entire hood had a lot of rock chips. So we had to like literally rectify every single one of them because you can't paint.
Yeah, you don't want to paint it.
You know, exactly. So we would have to do the same where it's just the front nose completely, as you see, taken apart so we can respray everything inside out. So, yeah, doors are off, tailgate, everything's off. This is gonna get sprayed this weekend, so. That's gonna be the blue that he wants. He actually took with him, but it's a candy blue. It's gonna be sick. And look at the hood. You see how the whole entire hood was basically worked on? This hood it had like bullet holes. So we had to make sure, yeah. Well, your hood has like, you got a machine gun. It got gunned down for sure, but you wanna make sure everything's nice and flat and smooth. So we would do the same with yours. And then as you can see, all the parts are off. The front bumper, surprisingly, it had some rock chips, but not as many as yours, but you still kind of see where we did slight body work. And this is a 07.
Yeah.
So it's pretty clean.
And that's going in there too, all of that stuff, the carbon fiber?
Yeah, that's all part of that one car.
Oh, God damn. Nah, that's all you need to show, bro. That's it right there. This is Adonis's Isle of Man green. In person, it looks darker than Isle of Man green, but it looks a lot better though. Like this looks like a, oh. Oh, the black with the Iron Man green flakes in it?
Look at this.
Yo.
All the black accents.
How the hell you see out those mirrors though? Yo, Phil, you killed it, man. I definitely gotta get a wash. She's freaking filthy right now, but yo, what do you guys think? Especially with the new headlights, check them out. I don't think I showed them yet. Parked up looking fire. Check engine on there for those of you who don't understand or comprehend. I got a few questions. So when I bought the car, the check engine light came on. It was some like vacuum thing, check valve issue that I had to take care of before I get the emissions done on it. Made sure I cleared that, drove it around a bit, passed emissions, and then you know, your boy wanted some more turbo noise, so did some you know, downpipe work on the car. So that will throw a check engine light. I had to get it tuned, recalibrated. I've been having trouble, to be honest, finding a tuner or software because I heard the new Cobbs do not get rid of the light. So I got to figure out how to take care of that. And just like that, we, my friends, are back. Back in the Tiguan, aka the Ferrari. Traffic yet again. It's time to buy something else. I mean, the Porsche is 100% not going to be a daily. I'm going to freaking daily this thing or take public transportation. That Porsche is tiny. Come on, man. Might not have the M4, but I could damn sure hit some corners in this bad bitty. Check me out. Nah. I ain't gonna lie, this thing handles pretty good. Like, considering what I thought it would normally handle. Like, The thing about this thing is, you kind of got to let the body roll, like work for you, you know? And you got to know the road you're on. Because I don't know if you know. Oh my God, what is in the back? Oh shit, the tiles. This angle and the side is probably one of the best after the headlight thing. Like, take a look at that. So right here, you got the 4 lights. You can see how it looks in the beginning, menacing. I think this is the best look right here, aside from just having it off altogether. It looks heck of a lot more aggressive, no more like a Beetle. You can see with the HIDs on, it doesn't look too bad in the daytime, but if you guys peep what I'm saying, let me go down here. It looks kind of weird in my opinion. I feel as though these 2 lights should have, or these 4 lights should have been on with it, you know? This right here by far is the ugliest. I left it halogen because despite what people think, the LEDs really aren't that great unless they are factory with the car or coming in and built LED housing that utilizes or specializes LEDs. You might get lucky, but then sometimes, I don't know. It might not work out for you. And it didn't work out for me, so I'd rather see the road more so than look nice while I'm not even seeing the car, if that makes any sense. Send it. You gotta love all-wheel drive, bro. That's a 992 right in front of us. Oh, that's a chick, she's waving. I don't know if she's waving at me though. I don't know, I kind of got a little excited. Ooh, the 992, I would say, is the first all-around sexy Porsche. And when I say all around, I mean like 991, like I have the 991.2 and stuff like that. You got, it's an acquired taste. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like the 997, I like the 964, I even like the 996 now. Oh, she's taking off on me. If she hits it, I'm hitting it. Oh no, I thought she was. Is she? What the? Is check it out. Whew. Brake, turn it. It does feel a heck of a lot more stable now, though. Yo, who knew? Just that little thing, man, will make a big difference. It's a little wet, too. Oh, yo, there's a huge difference. It corners a lot more flat now. Yeah. Woo! Sound cool. Oh, that'll be a nice thumbnail. Can't get enough of that. The backup camera, I mean, I gotta be honest, bro. Cause I'll be honest with them shitty ass GTR backup cameras. The backup camera ain't that much better than one of the GTRs. Be honest. Yeah, it definitely needs more low and some better wheels in a situation like this. I ain't even gonna hold you. But I can see it coming out sick though. I can see the vision. Oh my God, did I damage the front lip even more? Yo, I did. The car's not that low. You got like a mean 2 fingers in there, maybe a little 3. The back is a little bit less aggressive, but bruh, I don't know, man. I really gotta put the wheels on here and see, because this ride height right here is perfect for how it feels and everything, but I just don't want as much wheel gap. I really want to see the condition of the paint underneath it. I know this is like some kind of like rock guard protector, but this thing looks freaking worse than the actual paint does. In the forest, you have a wild night ripping on PPS. Man, I really did put some We're pulling up to Chino's. Ooh, look at that, man. I thought about getting that as a replacement. What do you guys think? That'd be a nice little setup right there. Truck, tiny little thing. Man, even from the front. I don't know, what do you guys think? Am I bugging? I totally forgot to show you guys this little update that I found under here. Car options, easier. So unfortunately, one thing, the freaking axle boot is ripped. I freaking zip tied the headlight level sensor on here because that was off. I read that thing works with the PASM. They have one in every single corner. And I think that might have solved the understeer, oversteer issue or something. I don't know, I'm taking on some rides now and it drives way, way better. And just like that, back in the crib. M4-less. Oh man, my thighs is big, I'm getting fat. Get out my shot, bro. Whew. So yeah, just like that, I'm gonna close this one out. And don't be afraid to put your comments in the comments as to what I should get next. And don't say another freaking M3, M4. Message extra. You say you heard? Yeah. You be alright. Things get shot.